This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Yes, that's me right there. It's so hot outside, I have evaporated. It's just ridiculous. I've been outside and gardening in the back, and there's nothing left of me. So this is the picture you're going to get today. I'm back here in my little inner peace box. I've loved this little porch back here. This is something that my husband helped me fix up so we can step back here and relax, and I definitely feel welcome, just like that sign says. It's just a relaxing atmosphere. I have my fan on, kick back and just enjoy. Okay, just came from the farmer's market, and we bought this tree right here, and we don't know what type of mango tree it is, so it's the unknown mango tree right now until it decides to give us some fruits. It was a good sale, could not pass it up. $15 for this mango tree. We also bought another sapodilla tree. So this will be the second one. The first one we have, which is the one right there on the side, we've had for 4 months, and it's not growing at all. So I decided to get another one, which they're both grafted, just to see what's going on, because this one's giving me an attitude. So here's your sister. Hopefully she motivates you to get moving, or you'll be moving out of the garden, and she will be taking over. While we're at it, we have another plant over here that has an attitude, and she's still in her timeout corner, and that's attitude Julie. Okay, this is supposed to be a Julie mango, and it's looking like a stick. That's about it. So it started off with some leaves, and now it's all the way down to a stick. So she definitely has an attitude and just refuses to grow. So I'm going to give her another chance. I repotted her, and let's see what she did. I also had to repot this sugar apple. It was in a smaller pot, and it seemed like it was stunting her growth. So I decided to go ahead and repot her. Now she should go ahead and be able to fruit up just like her sisters on the side. This little pot right here, okay, you see how tiny this pot is? This is what the mango tree that we just brought came out of. It came out of a pot that small. So the mango tree that we just brought, that's about 5 feet tall, told me, if you don't get me out of this pot, I will not grow another inch. How do you expect me to produce fruits in a small pot like that? Maybe that's why she was $15, but I'm here to save her. So these are my citrus. I had people ask me, you from the Bronx. You can't, can you really grow a backyard? Where you from has nothing to do with where you're at now, okay? Of course I can grow a backyard. And this is a proven fact. Do I have fruits on my trees? Well, here they go. I have lemons. I have grapefruits. I have key limes. I have oranges. I have all type of fruits on all my trees, right? On some of my trees. And that's my citrus right there. All of these fruits. Never let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do. So for all the people who don't believe that you can grow something, you one step ahead of them if they're not growing anything, right? So anything that's my passion, I go all out for it. And here's the fruits right here to prove it. Now remember, I'm only going on 2 years of growing fruit trees. I think I'm doing pretty good for a girl from the Bronx. Yes. Look at that banana tree. When I first got that banana tree, it was a little baby in a little pot. And the same thing with the papaya tree sitting right next to it. There's the other banana tree. And look at that sugar cane back there. Just watching everything grow. So you can do anything that you put your mind to. Anything. If you want it bad enough. Look at those pineapples right there. Those look like fruits to me. So yes, and this is just the beginning. Imagine a year or two from now what all of this will look like. So as you go on in life, if you have dreams and aspirations, don't just sit there and dream. Make your dream a reality. And just go out there and do what you do. Don't let nothing stop you. No different as if you wanted the newest car and the newest cell phone. You don't even care if you could afford it. You just go get it, right? So never let anybody stop you from doing what you do. Doing things you love and doing things you enjoy. As I'm sitting here filming this, I'm melting piece by piece. But it's okay. Sometimes it's worth it. Enjoying all of these fruit trees and the bountiful edible foods that I'll be able to eat. Look at these aloe plants. Beautiful. And they were little babies at first. This is the size they began at. So these are the other two on the side. And then at the ones that you just seen, that's how big they get. Now I have it. 3-4 years ago, I knew nothing about gardening. Then I decided to learn. The only failure is never trying. Okay? So if you have a dream, don't just dream it. Make it a reality. Okay? Believe in yourself. Take pride in what you do. Share all of your knowledge. Help others. And by me growing all these fruits and vegetables, I'll be able to share with other people. The more you grow, the more you can share with other people. And that's what we're here for, right? So we can all help each other. All right, so I have to go ahead and see you later. I got to try to rehydrate myself, and the next time you see me, I won't be sitting on the back of the porch looking like a skeleton. Hope you're having a nice day. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye.